Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be showing you the full process of wheel refurbishment. So here is the process into how these wheels were fully refurbished. So the first step is removing the tyre and the tyre valve. After removing the tyres, the wheels are then placed in a stripping tank, which they use a special chemical mixture to remove the lacquer and finishing paint, bringing the alloy wheel down to bare metal. And then thoroughly wash to remove any chemical deposits. Now any damage on the alloy wheel is inspected and repaired if necessary. Small dents, curb damage and scuffs are repaired. Any welding work or wheel straightening required is also taking place at this stage. The wheels are now preheated to remove any trapped air. The negative current is run through the wheel, while there is a positive current run through the paint gun. This then causes the powder to stick to the wheel. The wheels are then powder coated in black. Then, after each coating, the wheel is placed back in the oven to cure. Now, to get the shadow chrome effect, the reason why they only do one side of all four wheels is because the product is a tint, it's not actually a colour. So every shadow chrome wheel is slightly different in its own way. The more product you put over the black, the brighter the wheel becomes. It's very difficult to match one colour of one wheel to the car. Hence why they do one side of all four wheels. This gives the best result. Then a coat of lacquer is applied to each wheel to make sure it's fully protected from the elements. then last of all, tyres get refitted and then the wheels are balanced. And wow, what a transformation. With the wheels, we're gone for a shadow chrome, which is a bit of a nod to the original. They were a little bit more a silvery sort of chrome colour, but we thought it was a bit too bright. We're not massive fans of silver. Shadow chrome just dulls it down a little bit, makes it slightly darker, but we think once all the bodywork's all cleaned up, it's going to really pop against the black. So I just got to say a big thank you to Just Wheel Repair in Halstead and letting us film behind the scenes. Great process, all great guys up there. We're going to really recommend, if you're looking to have your wheels done and if you live down in the Essex area, to definitely use these guys. They are fantastic. They've done multiple sets for us now. Every time they've done it, they've been spot on. They're a quick turnaround and they'll fit all your tyres, balance, do the whole lot for you, and they're really well priced. Definitely going to recommend. So thanks very much for that, guys. We're going to be talking a little bit about the Aston, how we're getting on, and we've got some big news about it as well, so hold tight for that. I still can't believe that we're saying this, but me and Tia own an Aston Martin and we are so lucky to be doing this project. So we've been trying to rebuild this and we're getting married in 4 weeks' time.
I hate your beady eyes. It's like so intimidating. This way. Is it this one? Why are you putting that face?
So it's been quite chaotic for me and Tia, but we are loving every minute of it. And we're hoping we might have the car finished within the next 2 weeks. We've currently got all of the wings and the lower bumper off for paint at the minute, so we're hoping to get them back by the end of the week. We have some incredible news as well. So we sent off a V62. Basically, that's what you need to get the logbook back when a car has been categorised. Essentially what happens is the insurance company rips the logbook up, and then when you buy the car, repair it, you have to then apply to have a new logbook, and on that new logbook it would be categorised. So future buyers can see that it's been in an accident or been damaged and been repaired, etc. Incredibly, our Aston Martin didn't get categorised, much to our surprise, as we bought the car off a online salvage auction site. We both believed that it was a Cat S. It was sold to us as a Cat S. But now, after speaking with the DVLA, so the car is not categorised, incredibly, we have now got a clean logbook. And it also means that the resale value of the car has shot up as well, which is incredible news for us. But we're not going to be selling this one. This one's going to be a keeper. We've both fallen in love with the car step by step as we've been doing the car. It's been great fun and we just love the styling of it. They're so iconic. We plan to keep it. One other thing we have done is we've painted the oil cooler at the front of the car, and the reason is the paint was coming off it and you could see it through the grille of the lower bumper, and we don't want it looking tatty. We've put a coat of primer on it, and then we're just going to matte black that so it will just disappear behind the bumper so you can't see it basically. And then some of the front lower grills we're going to do in a gloss black just to clean them up a bit as well. All being well. There is a few minor bits we've got to get sorted now. I mean, the car is essentially going to be fully resprayed as well, because we've got damage on the door, we've got damage on the rear tailgate and on the rear quarter panel as well. So these bits are going to have to be done, but we're probably going to have to take the car to the body shop to get these bits and pieces done for us, which we're not sure exactly when we're going to do, but it will be probably within the next month or so. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you can like and subscribe, and join us again next week where we're going to be putting this thing back on the road, and we are super excited.